In this video, I will show you how to set a ringtone on Zedge. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Zedge first like this. And after opening your Zedge, you should right now click on ringtones. And guys, right now, you see like many ringtones. You can search for one or your specific style. For me, I will use vintage classic rock and roll. I will choose and click, and I will choose, for example, TNT. Maybe this one is for AC/DC. I will click like this. And what I have to do right now, I will click right now on this. And I will click set ringtone. And it's going to take me here. I will go and give permission to Zedge. I will just search for it and give permission like this, and then I will back and click again on set ringtone, and right now standard ringtone it's uploaded. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.